I have a broan 663/688 bathroom fan that needs to be replaced. I would like to do it without having to do any modifications, and it would be nice if I could just buy a kit to replace the inside motor and also buy a new grille. Looking for someone to direct me to a resource online.
Hi, my name is with years in home improvement, maintenance and General Handyman Repair. I will be happy to assist you. Here is the best option for you. I did the same replacement last year on 2 of my own fans. It is less expensive to buy the complete fan and just use the fan and grille from the new one. It's a pretty straightforward swap out. This one here should work just fine for you to do that with and retain your existing housing in the ceiling. Looking at the reviews, it appears others have done the same. Amazon is less expensive on these as compared to other places. Here is the link to that fan, https://www.amazon.com/broan new tone 688 ceiling ventilation plastic /dp/b00004ttzz/ref equals sr_1_5 child equals 1 and keywords equals broan %2b 663% 2b 688% tube replacement and could equals 159729426 and sr equals 8 to 5 and th equals 1. Let me know if you have any other questions, and thank you for using JustAnswer. I sincerely. Steve.
Steve, I appreciate that. However, that fan is way too loud. I did not know it was rated a 4. Is it possible to get something down in the 1 range?
Hi. I'm not able to find a one-zone broan replacement that doesn't require cutting out more ceiling drywall and reconfiguration of vent and wiring. However, I have found this and I believe it is your best bet with the least amount of work to achieve a one-zone rated fan. It is a Delta brand, but this fan will let you use the same ceiling cavity, no need to cut out more drywall, and it's much quieter at one zone. It will require that you remove the old enclosure and rewire the power, but the good news is that the location of the vent, mounting screws, and wiring inlets are almost identical to the broan you're replacing, so there's a very good chance you won't be in for any surprises during the install. Here is a link to that fan and let me know what you think, https://www.amazon.com/gp/product/b00c2n9cp2/ref equals as_lee_tf_eel? E equals UTF-8 and camp equals 1789 and creative equals 9325 and creativison equals B00C2N9CP2 and link code equals M2 and tag equals Varantha20 and thank you, Steve. Thank you for the great rating and the bonus, I truly appreciate it. Steve.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now visit justanswer.com/ythi.